Hello friends, myself Pawan Jaiswal from Team MarketSmith, and today is 21st April 2025. Market is in last hour of trade. It is about to close, and today we are going to discuss some important thing about market. So technically, if I talk about market, how it is behaving from the last couple of weeks. So if you see, after that tariff declared by Trump, there was a sharp fall happened and then recovery started, forming double bottom kind like pattern on Nifty daily chart. You can see here that I can draw for you a notation. Uh, Let me draw. Yes. So this is double bottom kind like formation, and after that we can see the smart recovery is happening. And further technically, this particular candle here, I can see this particular candle here is formed a hammer kind of candle, and after that there is a sharp recovery happened. Today Nifty 50 has reclaimed its 200-day moving average, which is currently placed in the range of 23,000, sorry, 24,100 zone. And now it is, since morning, it is holding and trending, most probably trading above this level only. But one level that we have expected in the last week, that level is 24,200. It failed to cross today at least 24,200. So after this move, we can conclude that now from today onward, this 200 DMA is going to be a critical zone, and then followed by 24,200. So I can say roughly 24,000 to 24,200 is a zone where Nifty must hold and remain traded above that to turn more bullish. So if it will remain traded above this level, so I can say that the positivity will continue in coming days as well. And in such case, we can expect at this level, that is around 24,800, 24,900 kind of zone. But at the same time, if suppose it will not cross an 24,200, or maybe remain traded below 200 moving average, that is below 24,000, so some consolidation cannot be denied. One thing. Another thing is that after this kind of move from the level of almost 21,700 to 24,000, 24,200 non-stop rally, I can say uh, some some sort of consolidation at current level cannot be ruled out. But yes, the market momentum is strong, volume is strong, FII buying interest is strong. Then sector performance like Bank Nifty or banking sector, financial sector is a key component in our Indian stock market, which has almost 37-38% this market weight in entire Indian stock market. So that is doing well, even and because of that, Nifty is performing. So positivity is there, but yes, some sort of pause or some sort of consolidation cannot be denied. But one thing is clearly visible on the chart, at least from technical perspective. Sustainable holding about 24,200, we can expect 24,800, 24,900 kind of zone in coming days. However, suppose it will remain traded below this 24,000, so maybe some consolidation cannot be denied. But overall sentiment and undercurrent in the market, overall tone is bullish in Nifty 50. Apart from this Nifty 50, if I talk about other sector, so other sector, next major sector is Bank Nifty, that I can say here. So as I just commented, that it is already trending into uncharted trajectory, and it crossed previous all-time high that was made around 54,500 kind of zone. And now in today's trading session, it is consistently holding above 55,000 and trading above that. So suppose it will remain traded like this, and the way after this long consolidation, so many months of consolidation, it has given breakout, and the volume actions are happening and momentums are happening, and the stocks are participating in this particular sector, especially large cap banks, private banks or PSU banks, including SDFC, ICICI, Axis, uh, SBI, all financials like Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, both twins, Bajaj twins. So after considering all this participation, I can say banking and financials are really doing good. And the way it is moving, maybe it will remain buoyant in coming days and coming weeks as well. From the levels point of view, if we talk about, so 54,000, that is a recent 54,500. That was the pivot breakout. That is the key level to watch. Suppose it will remain traded above that. So maybe in next few days or next few weeks, we can expect level of 58,500. That is 161.8% Fibonacci retracement of this entire fall. If I talk about, so entire fall like this particular from this all-time high to this level. So if we do this Fibonacci retracement, that is technical retracement, the 161.8, that is considered as a golden ratio Fibonacci retracement, which is currently placed around 58,500. So that kind of level cannot be denied, but subject to cross remain holding above 54,000. Suppose it will breach 54,000, that is a previous all-time high, 54,500. So some sort of consolidation cannot be ruled out or cannot be denied, that is for sure. But yes, suppose it will remain, and the way it is behaving and the way moving, the way banking participations and banking happening, SDFC Bank has presented the very robust number. So after considering all these kinds factors, most probably it will remain traded in upward trajectory only. And from the last few weeks, bankings are really doing good. So we have also added so many banking stocks on our portfolio, which is really doing good and generated positive return. Apart from that, apart from large cap banks, you can see now participations are happening from mid-sized banks as well. So you can focus on now mid-sized banks like AU Bank or RBL Bank or Indian Bank or Federal Bank. All and others mid-sized banks are also really doing good. So you can focus over there. Apart from that, financials are like other financials like this Bajaj Twins or Chola Financial. All stocks are really doing good. So you can focus over here. So apart from this major sector, I would like to discuss one very minor sector today, which is, I can say, in the current market scenario, it is an under owned sector in the market. And if you see here, from the last few months, or I can say last few, almost 1 year or 1.5 year, it is a under owned stock. It is a correction, but now some sort of revivals are happening. And if you see from the last few days, there is a revival happening, and the sector is Nifty Media sector. So it does not have any significant weightage, but yes, now it is revival happening. So it is my moral responsibility and duty to share with you. So it's not a sector like where one can go and buy outrightly. But yes, you can consider this sector in your watch list. Nifty Media sector, and the way overall pattern, chart pattern on daily and weekly chart are emerging, maybe most probably probabilities are quite high that trend reversal will happen in this stock. It has already this reclaimed this 50-day moving average and comfortably trending above that. So maybe it is moving toward a 200 DMA. 200 DMA is currently placed around 1850 to 1900 kind of zone. And once it will cross 200 DMA, so more confirmation will be there, and we can expect toward 2000 also. So current rate, if I talk about, is approximately 1600. So from there, from the current level, we can expect decent kind of move in this media space. And you see in the last few months and few quarters, there is a under ownership happened, and because of that, some revival, or at least in terms of stock price movement, cannot be ruled out. If I talk about stock specific, so one can focus stocks like NDTV, Network 18, PVR, TV Today. All these stocks are doing good, and maybe yeah, it will give breakout in sustainable breakout in coming days. So one can focus in that. Again, it is not a recommendation for buy or sell. It is just general information or general discussion that you can keep watching all these stocks and all this sector. So in this video today, that's it for now. Maybe stay tuned with us. We will try to give more informative information or from the technical perspective in next video. Thank you for watching this session.